Before, ang dami nagka-compare sa akin. Hi, Kuya Lloyd, Cafe Cadena, and Joga Girl. I felt pressured before. Kasi alam ko ang daming magaganda. She has to be perfect. Skin perfect. Face perfect. Feet perfect. Clothes perfect. Hair is perfect. Sabi pa nila, she doesn't look good. Ang laki daw ng mata ko. Tanda mo ko daw tigyawan. She's ordinary. Ngayon lang yan. Malalaos din yan. Ang pinaka di ko makakalimutan was she will never make it. Hindi ko kamukha si ganito. Hindi ko kamukha si ganyan. Ako to. I'm not someone else. I'm Jessica Absalon.
Lahat tayo may igaganda pa. And that's the Ponce Promise.